Now, before we begin, a big shout out to these guys. They're amazing. If you're a model maker here in the UK, then these are the guys that you want to get hold of. Model Hobbies have an incredible plethora of kits, detailing sets, dioramas, accessories, and also glues. And they bring your orders to you very, very quick. Like I got these in about 2-3 days, which is fantastic. And what arrived today was a really nice selection of kits, which I'll be doing a review on. I've got a really fantastic Su AH-1 reconnaissance helicopter. Again, because I got a bit of a Vietnam project going, it's quite a nice addition to my helicopter collection. Also, very unusual T-34-85 with a Type 63 turret, especially designed for the NVA, which is North Vietnamese Army. And these things were absolute beasts. With their guns, they could shoot down a lot of Allied aircraft, and they were very, very effective, very deadly as well. And that's kind of what I've got with my new diorama, which I'll be working on with the Huey that I've been building. But of course, to make it look realistic, what do you need? Well, pilots. And look what I've got here today. Production Miniatures. Never heard of them. Based in Belgium. And I was very, very impressed with the size of these guys. Let's have a look inside. Right, so that's what they look like, and they're especially Vietnam War pilots. It even makes it clear on the instructions there on the front. So that's why I really was interested in getting hold of these guys, because it's very unique. Normally with helicopter kits you don't really get pilots, and it's a bit of a bummer because you either have to create them from scratch, which is very difficult, or you have to outsource them. But Models Hobbies have everything you need. Model Hobbies have everything you need. Look at these. Look at the detail on these guys. Fantastic. And what I really like is that they have the perfect scale, I find, especially for Italieri Hueys. So if you're thinking about building an Italieri Huey and putting crew inside, these are the guys I'm going to experiment with to see if they work. Now, why am I saying this? Because, unfortunately, I've got another really fantastic kit from these trusted guys, which is the Checkmasters. You never go wrong with Checkmasters, although on this occasion, unfortunately, these pilots, I tried fitting them inside the Huey, and they were just too big. I couldn't believe it. I was kicking myself. You can see here the size comparison. Because of the way that Italieri is built, it just makes more sense to go for production miniatures. So, these are going to be made into molds. You've got a guy with a shotgun sitting. It's very unique. I really like it. So there's a lot of opportunities for building some cool dioramas and just some really nice in-flight looks. All grounded helicopters. So these are 4 guys, 2 pilots, pilot, co-pilot, shotgun, and a machine gunner. Now, all of these guys I'm going to cast in milliput, and I'm going to be able to mass produce these guys because I think they'd be a really nice kit to hold on to. And I've got some blue stuff that'll be arriving soon as well, and we'll be doing a tutorial on creating blue stuff molds because I think stuff is fantastic. Really good guy to go and follow is Plasmo. He's got an amazing YouTube channel, and he introduced me to blue stuff, so big shout out to you, Plasmo. Thank you very much. Keep building those kits, they're fantastic, give me loads of inspiration. So this is the ideal thing to be making molds with, and I'm doing it a lot. I mean, I know I could just buy these kits, it's true, but I kind of like the idea of building and creating, the skill involved in creating molds, you know, part of my background in the film industry, prop making and that. So these are quite nice. I think these are definitely the ones you'd want to go for any sort of 1/72 scale kit. Just as a sneak peek, what arrived also today is, like I said, the Su, the Bell Su, which is obviously, this is the AB-47 version, and what I'll be building is the Su version, which is this one. And this is widely used in all kinds of conflicts, Vietnam as well, as a reconnaissance helicopter. And this one has some pretty cool guns that I'll be able to recast. So that is another one to be doing a review on soon. And you'll get to see that. Really nice, look at that. Really nice parts involved. And what I'm really excited about are the guns here. These 2 guns which I can use for the helicopter and put a bit of string on so they're kind of hanging off, shooting down and hanging on the side. So that would be really cool. Now that's one I'll be reviewing next. But These guys are definitely ones I'm impressed with so far. The moulding's really nice. The detail's not bad either. They're from a company called Production Miniatures. Please watch out for them. They're really nice, and I think these will be great for the helicopter, but stay tuned to see if they fit.